I know you think you're the class clown, but I've had it with you.
Can't. What? Help. What? Help it.
That's what you always say. I don't want to hear any more excuses. Your classmates are trying to study.
What? What? What?
And your clowning makes it impossible.
Sorry.
Don't apologize to me. Apologize to them.
Now, she's going to take you home today. You can come back.
You can't help it.
Sorry, what did you say?
He said he can't help it.
Right.
What if he's telling the truth? This says there's no cure. But that may have changed. This is an old book.
That hasn't changed.
A fresh start. New school. New friends. Same result.
Today we're going to be talking about fractions. Fractions are your friends. Use fractions in everyday life. You just don't realize it. For example, say your mother bakes a pie. She cuts the... Cohen, go to the principal's office.
What do you think of school so much?
Look, sorry, I keep distracting the class.
Answer my question. What's a school for? To educate, isn't it? To use knowledge to wipe out ignorance. School's orchestra's having a concert this afternoon. I'm going.
No, sir. My tics will ruin the music.
I want you to be there. Everybody just keep your seats for a minute, please. Thank you. You enjoy the concert? Great job. Did you hear any noises during the quiet parts? Yeah, so did I. They're pretty annoying, aren't they? The person making those noises is Brad Cohen. Come on up here, Brad. You like making noises and upsetting people, Brad?
No, sir.
Then why do you do it?
What? Because I have Tourette's syndrome.
What's that?
It's a thing in my brain that causes me to make weird noises.
But you could control it if you wanted to, right?
No, sir. It's a sickness.
Well, why can't you just get cured?
There isn't any cure. I don't like making noises any more than you like hearing them. They're even worse when I get stressed, when you don't accept that I can't stop them. But when I feel accepted, then they're not so bad.
What can we